Hi guys, it's Terry. I'm home playing with the makeup and wanted to share a few tips and tricks that I use when I'm applying my Brow Moment, which is our one-stop fill, shape, and set brow gel. And here we go, it's right here, just like that. And so the first thing is, as you know, we've got the guide ring right there, and that's to allow you to glide your fingers, your index and your middle finger right through, and now you've got a hands-free grip. And if you're comfortable and your hand is fairly steady, you can rely on that beautiful thumb rest right there to go ahead and start to apply. But because my hands are free, this allows me to start using my fingers and my palm as steadying points if my hand starts to shake a little, as most of us have some little bit of shake, and depending on the day, my hand may be shakier than others. But let me show you what I do here. So if I want a real light application, I'll probably just come through the side here. I'll ground my thumb against my cheek and I'll just start to glide through like this. And that's just like a light brush through. But when I want to do more filling in, I focus on the tip of the applicator and almost use it like almost like a pencil to fill in. And then I'm coming through just with that tip, and now I'm grounding down here because I'm coming in vertically, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start filling in and creating shape. Just like that. And then I may turn sideways. And you can see when my hand starts to get a little bit shakier, then I start using my palm for even more grounding ability. Just like that. So the beauty of it is, again, and I'll use the other hand, put my hair back, is that depending on what you want to do, the vertical is how you start to really fill in using just that very tip. So you almost want to angle that tip right into the brow to do that fill-in technique. So it's just like that. And you'll see I always start a little further back because where you drop your color first is where you're going to get the richest deposit. So you don't want to have the heaviest cover right in the front of the brow. So I start a little further back and I just start combing that color right through. And then again, just comb. So with this hand, which is steadier, I'm using the thumb rest. For this hand, which needs a little bit more anchoring, I'm grounding first. And there you go. So just a few techniques to use. Hope that's helpful, and I hope you enjoy it. Look forward to chatting soon.